In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App so you can easily receive Bitcoin from someone. It's a quick and simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look and what to do. First, open your Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Tap on the one that says Bitcoin or shows the Bitcoin symbol. This is where all your Bitcoin options are located, including your wallet balance, buy and sell options, and deposit or withdrawal options. Now, to find your Bitcoin wallet address, look for the Deposit Bitcoin button. Tap on that and you'll immediately see your Bitcoin address appear on the screen. It'll be a long string of letters and numbers starting with something like BC1. That's your unique Bitcoin wallet address. This is the address you give to anyone who wants to send you Bitcoin through Cash App. You can copy it by tapping on Copy Address, or you can tap Share Address if you want to send it directly through text, email, or any other app. Just make sure you share it correctly. And remember, only send Bitcoin to this address. Sending any other cryptocurrency here can result in a permanent loss of funds. Now, if you don't see the option to view or copy your Bitcoin address, don't worry. Cash App requires identity verification before you can use the Bitcoin deposit or withdrawal features. So you might need to verify your account by uploading your ID or personal details inside the app. It's a quick process, usually approved within minutes. Once verified, you'll get full access to your Bitcoin wallet features. After you've shared your Bitcoin address, the person sending you Bitcoin can use their own wallet or exchange app to send it. Once the transaction is complete, you'll see the Bitcoin appear right inside your Cash App under your Bitcoin balance. It might take a few minutes for the transfer to confirm, depending on how busy the Bitcoin network is. And if you ever want to sell that Bitcoin for cash, it's super easy. Just go back to the Bitcoin screen, tap Sell, choose how much you want to sell, and the value will be instantly converted to US dollars and added to your Cash App balance. From there, you can tap Cash Out to transfer it straight to your bank account. So, to recap, open Cash App, go to the Bitcoin tab, tap Deposit Bitcoin, copy or share your wallet address, and make sure your account is verified if you don't see it yet. Once you have that address, you're ready to receive Bitcoin directly into your Cash App wallet.